Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a great way on how to hide your photos on iOS 14. Now, a lot of you guys are probably already aware of the hidden album that you have on your iOS Photos app, which is just under Albums. You scroll down under Utilities and you'll see the hidden folder right there on your iPhones or iPads. Now, the problem with this is someone can just come over to your Utilities portion of your Photos application and just click on your hidden album and see all your hidden photos. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove that from here once you add your photos to the hidden folder. If you guys don't know how to add photos to your hidden folder, all you have to do is go over to your photos, click on a photo you want to add, click the share button in the bottom left corner, scroll down and you'll see an option to hide right here. So let's just say if I wanted to hide this photo as well and click on hide photo, this will then go to that album that we have down here. Now, to remove this album from your Photos application without losing your photos, all you have to do is go over to settings and open that up. Once you're in settings, you just want to scroll all the way down till you see photos. Once you find photos, just click on photos, and then you will see an option for hidden album. When enabled, the hidden album will appear in the albums tab under utilities. So all we're going to do is unclick that because it comes on automatically with iOS 14. So if we disable that and go back over to our photos, you guys will notice it's not under the utilities option anymore, so nobody will be able to see it. But then when we go back to our settings and open that up again, turn it back on, and go back into photos, it will then be there with your photos still in it. So you don't have to worry about losing your photos that are in there at all. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get rid of this album here so you can actually truly hide your photos on iOS 14. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.